Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix OBS black screen game capture. All right, let's begin. If you're experiencing a black screen in OBS when using game capture, the first fix to try is running OBS as an administrator. If you're on Windows, close OBS completely, then right-click the OBS icon and select Run as Administrator. This allows OBS to properly access your system and detect games. If that doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to refresh your game capture source. In OBS, delete your existing game capture source. Then, click the plus icon to add a new one and select Game Capture or Display Capture. When setting it up, make sure it's targeting the correct display. If it's set to automatic capture and not working, switch to manual mode and select your game directly from the drop-down list. OBS sometimes fails to detect games automatically, so choosing it manually can fix the problem. After applying these changes, switch to your game and play for a few seconds. This helps OBS sync with the game window and properly display the capture. So that's basically how you can fix OBS black screen game capture. That's it for this video. Thanks.